Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to add call and email buttons on your Instagram. If you're interested in marketing, web hosting and other business connected topics, definitely check out the video description. So anyway, we open the Instagram app. Here we select edit profile on our profile page and then select switch to professional account. Now let's continue. Here we select the category of our business or creator account, for example, blogger, and you can choose whether the category displays or not on your profile, like that, and then click done. Here select whether you are a creator or a business, then next. Now you can just exit this screen. From here, just select edit profile, then contacts options. Here you must enter your email, for example like this, and your phone. You can choose would you like to be reached by call or text. After that, just select display contact info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.